$300, $1,000, even $5,000. But would you actually drive any of these cars home? One, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $4,500, Specieland, NN. Running and driving project with a 350 engine and turbo 350 transmission. The motor was reportedly refreshed about a year ago and runs good, though the carb needs minor tuning. It can be driven Elias Alamis, making it a usable project. Body shows typical wear with small dents and scratches. Not a clean build, but not a dead project either, just a straightforward driver that still needs work. 2. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $4,500, Tip Cuddy OH. This convertible runs well with its 110 air-cooled engine and shows around 61,000 miles. It has had recent work, including rebuilt carburetors, a new battery, and general servicing, and all lights are reported to be working. The floors are described as solid, which is an important point for a car of this age. The main issues are cosmetic and interior related. There is visible rust on the hood and fender areas, and the car needs a new top and carpet. It is not a finished classic, but a light project with a good mechanical starting point. 3. 1979 Nissan 280ZX 2+2, $3,000, Muscle Shoals, Alabama. This car is described as running and complete, with a number of recent maintenance items already addressed. The fuel system has been cleaned and updated, and most of the braking system has been replaced. It has a title and remains a complete car, which makes it a solid base to work from. However, it is not fully sorted. One section of the brakes still needs attention, and overall condition suggests ongoing work will be required. It is usable, but still clearly a project rather than a finished driver. 4. 1975 Oldsmobile Starfire H-Body, $5,000, Somerville, Tennessee. This car does not currently run or drive, although the engine does turn over. It has several aftermarket modifications, including upgraded cooling components and a multi-carb setup, but the wiring system needs work before it can be properly used. A major positive is the rest-free body, which is uncommon for cars of this era. Even so, it remains an unfinished build that will require time, effort, and sorting before it becomes roadworthy. 5. 1969 Rambler American, $3,500, Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin. This vehicle has been modified with performance-focused components, including drivetrain upgrades and reinforced floor pans. It comes with multiple supporting parts, such as cooling systems, exhaust, and hardware, suggesting it was built with power in mind. Rust is present on lower body sections, particularly around the quarter panels. It is not currently a driver and is better viewed alayhi salam, a project platform or ongoing build rather than a usable car. 6. 1965 Plymouth Valiant, $4,000, Covington, GA. This car runs and drives with its original slant 6 engine and has received several mechanical upgrades. The braking system, cooling system, and other components have been refreshed, making it mechanically dependable for regular use. Condition is not perfect, with minor rust spots, some paint imperfections, and a few non-functioning gauges. It is not fully restored, but it is a usable classic that still needs small improvements. 7. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D, $5,000, Akron, Ohio. This Camaro runs and drives and has been upgraded with performance parts, including engine components and supporting systems. Mechanically, it appears solid, with working gauges and several newer parts installed. The downside is the body condition, where rust is present and floor repairs will eventually be needed. It is a strong running car, but still clearly a project on the cosmetic and structural side. 8. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T Classic Convertible 2D, $3,500, Tip City, Ohio. This is a kit car based on a Volkswagen platform and is reported to run and drive well. It has a clean title and a solid base, making it usable for casual driving and short trips. Because it is a modified build, it does not follow original factory specs. While functional and complete, it remains more of a niche project rather than a traditional restored classic. 9. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $5,500, Lancaster OH. This car runs and moves under its own power, with a swapped engine and generally solid structural condition. The frame, floors, and mounting points are reported to be in good shape, which is a strong foundation. Despite that, it still needs work in several areas, including tires, brakes, and roof sealing. It is not road-ready as is, and should be considered a solid but unfinished project. (10) 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, $4,000, Brownsburg, Indiana. This Galaxy runs and drives and has had multiple recent maintenance items replaced, including ignition and fuel system components. It performs well enough to be used as a basic cruiser. There are small rust spots and general wear consistent with age. It is not a show car, but also not a full project, sitting somewhere between usable and needing improvement. (11) 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $4,700, Orient OA. This convertible is equipped with a 455 engine and automatic transmission. The engine tries to start but currently does not run, likely needing ignition-related work. It rolls freely and can be loaded for transport. The body shows typical rust for its location, especially in common problem areas. The trunk is mostly solid with minor holes, but floor work will be required. The convertible top mechanism works, though the material itself needs replacement. Structurally, it is not beyond repair, but will need restoration effort.
Overall, this is a non-running project with solid potential, best suited for someone ready to handle rest repair and mechanical work. (12) 1975 Dodge Dart, $1,900, Statham GA. This car runs well, with a slant 6 engine, and is described as reliable with no major leaks. It performs smoothly and can be driven in its current state. Body condition is decent for its age, with only minor rust visible. It has not been heavily modified and remains mostly original. The main issue noted is the driver's side floor pan, which will need repair. Aside from that, the structure appears usable. Overall, it is a simple running project that needs light structural work rather than a full rebuild.
(13) 1979 MGB Convertible, $2,500, Mulkeytown, Illinois. This MGB runs and drives and has around 70,000 miles. It has received several recent mechanical updates, including clutch components and ignition parts. The car is functional and described as enjoyable to drive. It starts and operates without major mechanical concerns. Condition reflects its age, and it should not be expected to be perfect. Minor wear and aging components are still present. Overall, it is a usable classic that still falls into project territory, but closer to a driver than a restoration. 14. 1979 Triumph TR7 Roadster, $4,800, Loveland, Ohio. This car runs, drives, and has had its engine rebuilt.
It starts reliably with minor assistance and continues running normally afterward. Interior condition is very clean for its age, and the overall presentation is above average. The top is in good condition as well. There are minor quirks, such as a slightly high idle and cold start behavior. These are small issues rather than major faults. Overall, it is a strong running example with only light tuning needed, closer to a driver than a project. (15) 1978 Ford F-250 regular cab, long bed, $1,000.
It does not have a title and is being sold mainly alayhim salam, a parts vehicle. Mechanical condition is unknown beyond prior operation. Body and overall condition are not detailed, but it is clearly not a ready-to-use truck. Transport will be required. Overall, it is best considered a parts truck or long-term project with limited immediate usability. (16) 1978 Ford F-150 regular cab long bed, $2,700, Owasso, Michigan. This is a complete truck that includes an extra engine. It comes with a bill of sale rather than a traditional title. The truck is not described as running, suggesting unknown mechanical condition. It is likely stored as a parts or project vehicle. Body condition is not fully detailed, but it is positioned as a usable parts source. Completeness is its main value. Overall, it is best suited for parts use or as a base for a larger restoration project. (17) 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner, $2,200, Irvona, Pennsylvania. This is a field-find car with a swapped 440 engine and automatic transmission.
It comes with a complete interior and factory AC components. The car is described as rusty, with significant work needed throughout the body. It is not in drivable condition. Despite the rust, many original and valuable parts are still present. The structure will require major restoration effort. Overall, it is a heavy project or parts candidate, depending on the buyer's goals and skill level. (18) 1948 Kota sedan 4D, $1,700, Arpin, Wisconsin. This car has a motor that turns but is not confirmed running. It has several broken windows and will need restoration work. The body is mostly complete and the glass used is flat, making replacement more accessible.
Overall condition remains rough. Mechanical condition is largely unknown beyond the engine turning. It will require inspection before use. Overall, it is a basic project car with potential but needing significant work to become usable. (19) 1979 Chevrolet Silverado 2500,
$5,000, Kankakee, Illinois. This truck runs and drives and has had recent maintenance, including ignition and fluid service. It is operational and can be used as a starting point. It sat for several years before being brought back to running condition. Some parts have been replaced to get it moving again. The body includes areas needing work, and additional parts are included for repair. It is not fully restored.
Overall, it is a solid running project that still requires finishing work to be fully reliable. $20. 1975 Jeep CJ5, $300, Walnut MS. This vehicle does not run and does not have a title. It will require a trailer and winch for transport. Mechanical condition is unknown and no recent operation is reported. It is not usable in its current state. Body and structural condition are not clearly detailed, but it is expected to need full restoration. Overall, it is a minimal cost project or parts vehicle with significant work required. If you had to choose just one, which one are you taking? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe if you want more real project cars like this.